In this screen recording demo, we're going to show you just how quickly you can set up an AI chatbot. Watch live as visitor questions typed into our widget are answered in real time, demonstrating the power of an AI assistant for your website. Tired of customers asking the same questions repeatedly? An AI chatbot can handle that. We will ask real questions to see how the AI responds live. This small chat icon is actually your complete AI assistant. Let's start with the basics. To understand how this powerful tool can help your business, we first need to define what an AI chatbot actually is. Here's what it's saying. An AI chatbot empowers your website with intelligent 24/7 assistance. It understands your business by learning from your content and boosting conversions by answering customer questions. Setup is incredibly simple, and you can customize its look and feel. Let us show you how it works on your site. Now that we know what it is, the next crucial step is to understand its intelligence. How exactly does an AI chatbot acquire the knowledge to interact so effectively? Let's see the response. Setup takes about 5 minutes. You sign up, connect your site, and upload your documents. You control its personality and knowledge base with custom instructions and FAQs. This targeted approach means your AI chatbot answers accurately, without guessing, and always stays on topic. Naturally, you're wondering about its practical application. Can this AI chatbot truly leverage its learning to provide specific insights about your unique product offerings? Take a look at this. Setup is incredibly simple. Connect your website, upload any existing data, and the chatbot instantly understands your inventory. It can even display visual product cards with buy buttons and has options for real-time stock and pricing. As we scroll through the site, notice how the chat itself remains active. Even the smartest AI can have gaps. So, what happens when your AI chatbot encounters a question it can't answer? Let's explore its fallback strategies. What does it tell us? Even when an answer isn't immediately available, your customers are always supported. You can customize fallback responses or enable human escalation on our standard and pro plans. Plus, discover and fill knowledge gaps directly from your dashboard. Every interaction leads to a solution. Beyond just answering questions, a key business objective is growth. We need to know if this chatbot can actively contribute to generating leads from your website visitors. It's provided an answer. Indeed, Asyntai makes lead capture incredibly effective. You can enable dedicated fields or let the AI intelligently detect contact information directly within the chat. Plus, leads seamlessly integrate with your existing CRM or over 6,000 other apps via Zapier. Every answer displayed here is genuinely derived from your website's existing information. Appearance matters for brand consistency. You'll be pleased to know that customizing the chat interface to match your brand aesthetic is a straightforward process. Here's the result. You can perfectly match your brand with a variety of customization options. Set custom colors for buttons, headers, and message bubbles. Personalize the AI name, upload your logo, and swap the chat icon. You can even choose where the widget appears and control auto-trigger behavior. Finally, the big question for many testing new solutions. Is there a way to experience the benefits firsthand without immediate financial commitment? Let's find out about the free plan. Here's what it's saying. You can absolutely try our AI chatbot risk-free with our free plan. It includes 100 messages monthly, one website, and extensive knowledge base capacity. This lets you experience the AI's understanding of your business firsthand. Ready to get started? As you can see, setting up an AI chatbot is easy and efficient. To try it yourself, visit asyntai.com for a free plan. No credit card required.